Hello there. On this episode of Daily Drift, we're going to be removing the V8 from the RX-7. Enjoy.
Do you love coffee? Do you want to learn how to cut metal? Do you want to learn how to weld? Do you enjoy gratuitous ass shots? Do you love America? Well, this might just be the show for you.
Alright, so here's where we're at. This puppy has to come out because basically the rack and pinion that we have in there now is a manual one. And for what we're trying to do, we need to get a power steering unit in there. Now this one, we have like no clearance between that and the oil pan. It's practically sitting on it. So this puppy has to come out. Yeah, I'm not too excited about it. But when we have it out, we're going to fix a couple other issues that we got going on. Hopefully we'll be able to show you some of the issues and some things that we can do to get it fixed. It's going to be a long day.
Okay guys, so step number one whenever you want to remove your engine is to remember to remove your exhaust. Boy, wasn't that easy? Man, I wish everything was this simple.
Step 2 of removing your engine. You always got to remember, take out the drive shaft. How's it coming down there?
It's coming good. I just got to slide it out.
That's what she said.
So gentle. Gentle manipulation. Oh, sweet. Hey guys, look at my shaft.
Alright. Step 2 complete.
Nice.
Step 3. Yes, step 3 of removing your engine. Don't forget to remove your radiator. Success.
Step number 4, remove the carburetor. And if your car doesn't have a carburetor, you might be a communist. Well, there goes the gasket with it, too. Running into some technical difficulties. Oh, God. Every time I lift it off of one, it just goes on the other. Ah, there we go.
Success.
Look at that beauty.
There's a Holly double pumper.
There's your squirter.
that, 6 hours?
9 o'clock, it's what time? Like 3?
2:45, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 5 hours. 5 hours. Yep. I call that a win.
How long did it take us to get it in the first time?
Months.
Yeah.
Months. It's different though when you have to like modify everything to fit, and now
Made a little bit of a
it's
mess.
already set. We just have to
Oh.
put it out. Look at that.
Look at that puppy.
Oh man, what a long day removing engines from cars. I'm so tired, I'm ready to get a nap. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night.